Moser Roth, 85% dark chocolate, German. And if you've seen my diet video, this is not something that I'm allowed to have at this time of the day because I'm not going for my fitness right now. So, but I'm going to have it nonetheless and show it to you because once a month I'm allowed to cheat. It's absolutely fabulous. You want to try some? Let's try some. Let's try. Okay. You probably have guessed that when I'm sitting here, this is probably not a chocolate review or a chocolate video. This is something, it's exquisite. What do you think?
It's fantastic.
It's really, really good. It's certainly better than... Okay, let's get to the point. Let's not talk about chocolate. This is not about chocolate. You probably have guessed by looking at this. This is an unboxing video. What am I unboxing today? A short while ago, this packet was delivered. And lo and behold, what it is. Yes, the third day after it's been launched in India. Right, not launched, but the third day that customers started having this. The OnePlus 6. This is the first time that I'm getting myself, in the last 10 years I would say, that I'm getting myself, for myself, a kind of premium category phone. I have used and abused other premium category phones like the iPhone 7 Plus, 10 Plus, 10, the iPhone X, and so on and so forth. Samsung is not so much. Okay, let's unbox and have a look at it. Month and year of manufacture? May 2018. Can you guess which color I would have gone for? Voila! This looks premium. Little thought going in of how to pick it up from here. So you get the phone. It feels fantastic. It's slim. It's mirror black. I didn't go for the matte black. The reason, because I read about it, is that it's a little slippery. They also said that this is a fingerprint magnet, but I don't mind my fingerprints. Yeah, I do mind the fingerprints of other people, but I'm okay with my fingerprints. Oh wow, I'm excited. I don't know how soon I'm going to start using this, but about the user review, I'll put it later. I'm just showing you what's in the box. So this is what you get in the box. First thing, right? And you get a silicone case. You put it inside the silicone case. This is the dash charger. It charges the OnePlus up to 50% in something like 2 minutes. No, I'm just joking. But it's a fast charger. This is what you get. This is the dash charger and the cable, red in color. It's pretty attractive, the whole package. It vibrated. You know, for the past 2 years, I have been using this. You know which phone this is? This is the Redmi Note 3. And I must tell you that I have been pretty impressed by the performance of this phone. That was the first time I started using an Android. Before that, I was using Windows OS, which I was very happy with, given the security features that you have in Windows phones. Now, since Windows phones are history right now, for reasons we all know, I shifted to Android in 2016, and for the last 2 years, I used the Redmi Note 3. Very, very impressive. Still works perfectly fine. Here you are. And the performance of the OnePlus is the first time I'll be using this. I'll put in the SIM card and everything. Just keep following me. Very soon I will be updating you on the performance of the OnePlus 6. Okay folks, I just wanted to let you know that this phone was part of an Amazon exclusive. It is not available online in India anywhere else right now. Of course, it will come to other portals as well. Right now, it is an Amazon exclusive.